Mathew McAvoy, CYDAG, Ysgol Gyfun Rhymni. What was great about today as a facilitator was having in the Welsh medium and bilingual breakout room was having colleagues from all the various sectors, primary, non-maintained, secondary, sharing the challenges that they're facing, but also the ideas and good practice that they have within the context of the whole continuum of learning. It was great as well hearing today about the new qualifications and how that fits in and leads from what the primary sector have been establishing and instilling over the years, and really as well to look at that possible conflict between how the curriculum is delivered in primary into sort of year 7, 8 and 9, especially when it comes to the learning environment, timetabling, staffing structures and so forth. So it is a great conversation.